Venerable personalities of English learner, here is very informative video and I welcome you on this video which will make you very expedient at grammar skills about conjunction. We are going to discuss following topics in our today's lecture: origin of conjunction, introduction, need of conjunction, examples of conjunction, and types of conjunction. Watch till the end to get each and everything. Origin of conjunction means from where they were originated. Let's start that from an old French word conjunction, which means union or to unite, and they were also originated from Latin word conjunctionum, which means to join together, and later in English they were called to be conjunction just because of their easy pronunciation. Okay, to use them easy, they were called to be conjunction later in English. Now, how they work, what they work, they connect words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. How they connect words? Example: apples, pears, and mangoes are available. R is conjunction here. Phrases and clauses and sentences, how they connect: I like Mariam, but I don't like John. Here, but is conjunction connecting them. He is totally tired, yet he insisted to do my work. Here, yet is conjunction. Okay. And now, need of conjunction, very interesting topic. Here we have questions. Why would need to use conjunction? And how would be an English grammar without conjunction? If our sentences would be without conjunction, how would they look like and what will be the sense of those sentences? Let's have example and you will be cleared. Akram, Mariam are my friends. Here it's incomplete sense. Here sentence is not complete. We have to fill something. Okay, here is the blank and here we need to put something and that something is conjunction. Akram and Mariam are my friends. So we have put and here, that is conjunction, and now it's making a complete sense. So for that complete sense, to put conjunction is very important. Okay. So next example, you'll be more clear. He's smart, a bad boy. Now there's no sense of this sentence. We need to put something here, okay, in blank where arrow is placed. So here we need to put something and that something is but, and but is conjunction connecting these sentence and making sense clear. Examples of conjunction: at first we have for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. However, moreover, therefore, furthermore, consequently. And both and, not only but also, either, or, neither, nor. So now let's move toward types of conjunction. Use of coordinate conjunctions. Fanboys. We will discuss one by one. First is for. Shows reasons and results. Child loved for he saw a funny man. So here for is used as a reason. Why he loved? Because he saw a funny man. So next one is he will pass his exams for his efforts. Here for shows result. Why he will pass his exams? Because of his efforts. Don't waste water for its importance. Here for is used as a reason. And it shows addition in a sentence. Example: trust yourself and start working. Here and is showing addition. Next example: they went to school and met with many students. Okay, and is showing addition. First they went and then they met with many students. Next one: he joined university and started tuition at college. So here is the addition of his work. Next one: nor denies both the options. Okay, Umama does not like rice, nor does she like chicken. Here is denying the both options. Nor is denying both options. She dislikes to write essays, and nor does she likes stories. So again, nor is denying two options. Okay, next one. But this conjunction shows contrast between two things. You can drink juice but avoid wine. Here but is showing contrast between juice and wine. Zan is well but Ali is sick. Here word is Ali. But is showing contrast between two personalities. Okay. All are playing cricket but Arshad is using mobile. So here again is contrast showed by but. Next coordinating conjunction is are. This conjunction gives options. She will go by car or metro. So she has two options separated by are. He will meet Sir Newton or Sir Einstein. So again, he has two options by are. So they will eat pizza or drink Coke. Again, options are showed by are. So next one is yet, means in spite of. It shows the meaning of in spite of. I kept on knocking yet no one came out. So yet is showing here the meaning of in spite of. Next example: he is poor yet he is happy. So again here is the meaning of in spite of. He has nothing yet he is happy. They warned him, yet he is doing same. So he got already warning. In spite of that warning, he is doing same thing. Next one is so. Shows results. Results of something. Let's clear this with example. He is always kind, so I praise him. So because of his kindness, as a result of his kindness, I praise him. She did not work hard, so she failed. So again here is the result of not doing hard work and then she got failed. Okay. So second type of conjunction is subordinating conjunction. They join independent clause with dependent clause. Okay. So they conjoin two clauses to form subordinating conjunctions. Example, let's clear this with example. The baby always cries whenever his mom leaves the room. This one is independent clause and another is dependent clause, and they are conjoined together with one subordinating conjunction, and that subordinating conjunction is whenever. They are joined with whenever. Okay. So next one is of subordinating conjunctions. Although, in spite of, because, while, after, if, unless, until. they kept playing although it was raining. So although has conjoined two sentences here. In spite of, he went to bazaar in spite of lockdown. Again, here two sentences are conjoined by in spite of. Because he could not join us because he was ill. So here because is showing reason. Next one is while. I live in Pakistan while Mariam lives in Afghanistan. So this while is showing contrast. After she had done BF, she came here. BF is breakfast. So after she had done breakfast, she came here. After is subordinating conjunction. Next one is if. I will go there if she goes too. So one type of condition is showed by if. Next one is unless. Unless you join too, I will not join. And again here condition is showed by unless. So this is also subordinating conjunction. Example I think clear. Until. You cannot drive until you get your license. The word is your. So all examples I have explained. Types of subordinating conjunctions: time, place, result, reason, purpose, condition, contrast, comparison. We almost have studied all the examples related to this, and now we will discuss those examples which will be new for us. Time: when, till, until, as long as, before. Now next is place: where, wherever, whence. Whence is new, which means from where. Go whence you are means go from where you are. Result: so that, such that, so. He is so weak that not walk. So next one is reason: as, because, since. Next, purpose: so that, in order that, lest. Lest is new. So example: work hard lest you should fail. Next one is condition: unless, provided, whether, if. Next one is contrast. Examples: as though, although, however. Next one is comparison. Examples of this: as, then as, much as. So sentence: he is as intelligent as his sister is. Okay, so next one, correlative conjunctions. Work in pairs to join together words or phrases, and those words or phrases have equal rank and importance. Examples: either, or, not only, but also, neither, nor, both, and. Now we will move toward sentences of these. So, commence: he not only plays cricket but also football. So here is combination of two sentences, two equal rank, that is joined by one linking not only but also. Either start studying or do a job. So giving two options by two correlative conjunctions, either and or. Best of luck, guys.